This is how you find hidden apps on your iPhone. Swipe all the way to the right till you get to the app library. There's a hidden folder at the very bottom. If you don't see it when you first come to the app library, just scroll all the way down. You'll see it in the bottom right. Tap on that. It's going to require Face ID to open it, and then it's going to show any apps that you have in there, right in there. Currently, I don't have any, so no apps are hidden on my phone. But you can easily hide any app. Just tap and hold on it. Tap Require Face ID. Tap Hide and Require Face ID. This app is now going to disappear. It requires Face ID to make that change. Confirm by tapping Hide App. Now it's gone. If we go to the app library and go down to this hidden folder again, tap it. Face ID to unlock, and there is the app that we just hid. Tap and hold on it. You can tap Don't Require Face ID, add to home screen, move it back to the home screen. We're going to do both of those things. I'm going to unhide it, but we're still going to require Face ID to open it. It should go back to where we put it. No, it's not going to go back. It was right here. Instead, it went way over here. So if I tap on this, it does not require Face ID to open, so it turned that off and it put it back on our home screen, and now we can use the app as normal. So that's how you find hidden apps on your iPhone. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out the video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. I know it sounds strange, but it's super useful and everybody should be doing it. So check out that video.